Hello, today we are going to be opening a Magic 8 Ball from Mattel Games. That's what it says on the bottom right there. And it says 20 possible answers. And it has a gigantic 8 in the front, and I'm pretty sure it's about this big. We just got it today. We got it from Amazon. And on the bottom, it says stuff about it, like the companies and stuff. So let's go ahead and open it. Open it. Well, this box is so cool though. It has a try me section on the back. So it looks like a really big ball, like a bowling ball. It looks like a bowling ball. Like the black one. And it has 8, but I feel like it's upside down. But when I turn it upside down, it looks upside down still. And when I turn it again, it looks upside down again. That's the weird thing. I'm gonna try it later. Now let's go ahead and open the tin foil thing. Oh, geez. It has like a little thing around it. I'm not gonna break this open. Like, some people did that in the YouTube videos that I just saw. It's made in China. If you want any of these, you could get it at Amazon. About $20. Oh, the exact price is right now it says signs point to yes. $15.19. 98 cents?
Yes.
Oh, 98 cents.
$15.98.
Oh.
But you paid $20.
Oh my! This is so big. It's about the size of my hand. So it's really big. My hand's this big. Ugh. Now I'm gonna try asking it a question. I forgot to ask a question. I need to ask, am I going to have a new subscriber? Am I going to have a new subscriber? Shaky. Let's see. It is decidedly so. Yes! Will I get a lot of thumbs ups? Let's see. Reply Hazy, try again later. Well, not later. Reply Hazy, try again. I'm going to have a lot of thumbs ups. You said the shaking wall. Okay. Yes. Yay! I can faint. Wee. Am I going to go to bed at 9 o'clock? It says yes. That's exactly what it says, but it changed. If you guys want to ask a question to this Magic 8 Ball, leave it in the comments and we'll upload a video about it. Just write your name and your question down. And finally, goodbye.